How do you edit long-form video content into short-form video content such as for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts? It is super easy to do and fast, and I'll show you how in today's video. Short videos are already super popular, and you want to take advantage of that for your social account, but you don't want to be spending hours creating new content when you already have long-form content already created that you can repurpose for social media for other accounts. But adding YouTube videos directly to TikTok or Instagram Reels can look a little bit unprofessional, especially because of their framing. So how do you properly repurpose them into short videos that look professional and that attract viewers? Let's see. The first thing you'll need is footage of your long videos. So you'll need your YouTube videos downloaded into your computer, or you can record certain parts of your YouTube videos with your phone. But honestly, the best way to keep the quality is just have the raw footage of your YouTube videos in your phone, or you can edit them on your computer and just select clips of it. But if you misplaced the raw footage from your YouTube video, you can always just record the screen on your phone by using an app such as Record It on your iPhone. Once your footage is ready to go, make sure to install InShot for the next step. Depending on what your video is or what it was about, or what you're showing in the long video, you should be able to make the video in vertical form in portrait mode without a lot of trouble by just cropping it vertically. And that should do the trick. But what if you can't? And more of the video needs to show because you're showing something on a computer, for example. You definitely don't want to keep the black background and just post it like that on TikTok and on Reels. So to change that, install InShot, open it, and add your content. You can also cut the video or split it or make any necessary edits to it. After that, go to Canvas, Ratio, select 9:16, Portrait Mode, then click Zoom and select how big you want your videos to show. The next step is going to Background and selecting the blur amount for the video that will be duplicated in the background and how blurred you want it to be. This will just create a better look for your short video. You can also remove the InShot watermark at the bottom by watching an ad. It is that simple. Once you're ready, make sure to download the video to your device. Now, the last step before actually uploading the video to TikTok or Instagram is adding captions that will attract your viewers' attention or that will keep people from scrolling that are watching on TikTok or on Reels without the sound on. This will help you gain their attention and gain more views. The best app that is free to add captions that I found is vid.io. You can use this on your computer or on your phone. You can download the app. Open the app, upload your video, and select the language that it is in. And then click Generate Captions. This app will generate the captions, and you'll need to go through them and make sure that all words were spelled correctly, as sometimes you can misspell some words. Or sometimes you can get them wrong altogether, but mostly it only happens for a few words. Also, make sure to split them up in sentences or how you want them to show up when you're speaking, and don't leave all of them at once, but instead make them show up as you're talking. You can choose the caption style and also choose to highlight a few words that you want to emphasize on. You can use different colors to highlight, you can choose the style of the caption, and there you go, the video is now finished and ready to be uploaded as short content. You can repeat the process with as many parts of your YouTube video as you'd like, because this will help you grow even more and it will lead people to your YouTube videos as well if you're posting these as YouTube Shorts. So there you go, I hope this video was helpful and it helped you learn a few tricks on how to create short video content. Don't forget to also follow me on Instagram at leader.incomingsuccess and on TikTok, and I will see you in my next video.